Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Google Business Profile, or formerly known as Google My Business or GMB, to your Go High Level account. So before we begin, I'd like to mention one important security requirement. Because this integration connects directly to Google account, the business owner or the person who owns the Google Business Profile should complete this process themselves. This Google security policy to help protect your account and your business information. So if you have a trusted virtual assistant or assistant who already has administration or owner access to your Google Business Profile, they can also complete this step on your behalf. For your security, we do not recommend your Google password with anyone. Instead, you can either perform the connection yourself or grant the appropriate access to someone you trust to your Google user management. Okay, so log in on your CRM, log in on your Go High Level account, and make sure you're inside the correct business location before you continue. So open the integration page. So here, locate the Google Business, go to Settings and Integration. You need to find Google Business Profile. So here, you need to click Connect. Okay, so you can see here that there are you can create a multiple pages using one Google account, and then choose that page and connect. So Google will display a list of permission to Go High Level is requesting. So review that permission and then click allow. So these permissions are required so the CRM can securely access your profile, synchronize your review, manage your business messages if available, and display your business information within the platform. Okay, so you need to select your business profile. If you have a multiple business, you can see here that there are two multiple business. You'll be asked to choose the correct business profile and then connect. So verify the connection. Once connected, go to reputation. So let's go back here. Okay, so here, once connected on the reputation, actually it will also reflect here, and then you can choose it on the setting. So here on the setting, there will be a link here. For example, this is the review link. Actually, it will show here if you're connected on Google My Business. It will show your link here, Google Business Profile, and if you have Facebook connected, it will also show here. But you can only choose one. It's either custom link, like or Google Business Profile, um, or the Facebook profile. Okay. So if the connection doesn't work, check out the following. You're signed in with the correct Google account. Your account has owner or manager access to Google Business Profile. The Google Business Profile is verified. You selected the correct business location. If you recently received access to the profile, Google may require some time before the new permission become active. So that's it for today. Your Google Business Profile is now connected. This integration allows you to manage your online reputation more efficient by reviewing and responding to Google review directly from your CRM. So remember the security reason. The connection should be normally be completed by the Google owner, account owner, or someone who has already been granted to a proper access. This helps keep your Google account secure while allowing your team to manage your business safely. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question, feel free to reach out. Okay? See you on the next one. Bye-bye.